Here is another super simple and kids friendly Christmas recipe for you. That is chocolate biscuit bars. This recipe requires very few ingredients. We need 400 grams of condensed milk, 100 grams of butter, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of crushed Marie biscuits and colored rice. First I am going to put butter, cocoa powder and condensed milk into a pan and heat it in high heat. Once the mixture starts bubbling, reduce the flame to low heat and cook more around 7 to 10 minutes. When the mixture becomes a bit thicker, add crushed Marie biscuits and mix well. When Marie biscuits are combined well with the chocolate mixture, get it out of fire and transfer the mixture into a greased baking pan. Thereafter, level the mixture evenly and decorate it with some colored rice. Let it cool down a bit and then cut into pieces. These are the tasty chocolate biscuit bars we made. You will only require less than 20 minutes for this simple recipe. You can find more simple and quick Christmas recipe details in my DailyLife.lk site. Subscribe my channel to get more videos and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications.